the main thing in email process. So in the networks means we have to send the data from small area, large area, whatever it is. We have to send the data in a small format. Okay. For that we are using a email. So email is one of the main process in a network. So in the electronic mail, that is email, we are how it is work means. So what is that means? It's electronic mail. So we are sending the messages from user to, that is sender to receiver, and then we can get the acknowledgement also. So in a it's having a one unique identifier, that is each and every person is having unique ID. Based on that ID, we are accessing the inputs or messages. That is the email. So we are having a client side and server side email. That is client is the input and then server is the output. That is send the request from a client and is access the given request in a certain format or data representation in a server side. So after that, it's sending an email. So how we can send means, first we have to compose the email. So we have to give the address and then certain content in a certain title manner. Okay. So normally we are know how to send the email. So for that, first we have to open on compose box. Then in that one we have to mention the ID. Use that ID, we can send the certain content into the server side. That is our server. That is receiver mail we have to send. Through that we can that is recipient email address we can send the data. So after that, we can add the subject also. That is we have to insert or label what are the contents. So they have to know when we are read that, before reading that full email, they can easily identify what is that email. So we have to tag, we have to label that particular content. For that we are using a subject. After that, body of the message. That is main content we have to add. Then related that body of the content, we have to attach any of the document. It may be an image or voice message or whatever it is, we can easily add the messages. That is attach the files regarding that given messages. After that, we can send that particular message into server side. Then after we are having an email in extra options CC and BCC. That is we can give that extra client and a server based manner. We can add many clients. We can add a many server address also from sending the messages from source to the destination. So these are the email. So normally, what are the main services based on email is composition, transfer, reporting, displaying and disposition. That is composition means we can easily compose the mail. Through that composition we can transfer the data in a certain format from sender to receiver. After that we can reporting what are the data, that is we can see the sent messages, what are the messages we are sent. So we can reporting that particular messages, then displaying. So in a server side we can easily display the client format or a given input request. Then disposition, after that we can delete and we can modify the messages also. So after that it's having some agents, that is user agents, that is message transfer agent, then mailbox and spool files. So here user agents we can easily manage the given messages. Then message transfer agent is transfer, the agent means it's an intermediator to transfer or connecting sender and receiver. So through that we can easily convey the messages to the agent, through the agent to the server side. So mailbox, inbox we can check what are the mails or regular routine life we can receive the continuous mail through the mailboxes. Then spool files unwanted or it's any spam file also included in a particular mail. Okay. So it's having certain advantages and disadvantages also. Advantages means if you are taking easily we can understand, easily we can send within a minute we can send the messages. It's a cost effective also. So it's a advantage. But it's the same thing we are having disadvantages also. Disadvantages means is spam and all. Then we can have technical issues. So mainly spams means some main mails are sent into the spams. So in certain period it will be disappear. After some days it will be disappear. Some important mails also stored in the spam. Okay. So it's the main drawback. Likewise it's having technical issues also. Okay. So these are all the disadvantages. So these are the main thing in the email of a networks. Thank you.